cheap on Amazon. Hang on. Getting some extra paper off the table. But yeah, okay. So now we're going to hold a ruler up to this glass. And we're going to say that is 4 3/4. Hang on. Ooh. 4 3/4 that way. That's why I wanted to see the board. Oh, hang on. And it is 6 3/4 that way. Okay. Let's move some stuff. See why this won't close. Deal with that later. What did we do with the board, actually? That's a really good question. See, that wasn't supposed to be a difficult question, but like literally that is how much stuff there is on this desk and surrounding me, is that I can lose an entire board that easily. Oh my god, are you kidding me? What? Okay. Yeah, did you guys see what I just did? I picked up the edge of this, forgetting it wasn't all one thing. And we we generously spread them across the desk right here. That's okay. We're going to assume that they all slid off in a organized and upside down turning way. And VC says, oh no, Harriet says, breathe. And see, I do things like that so regularly that it kind of doesn't even like, unless it's like something gigantic that I can't undo, I'm just like, oh, well, that does sound like something I would do. But yeah, I forgot that these were sitting on top of the board. But look. But no, this is the board. It's cork. And so then you can do your coils. And so these are in like sets of 6. So you can make petals and like matching coils. And we didn't actually pin any of them to the side yet. But we know we can. Okay. But yes, hang on. We're missing a petal now. Aren't we? Yeah, where does... We're going to assume it will turn up as we assemble the others. Clockwise, 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 clockwise. Because yes, what we are doing that is the most laborious right now is making sure that our petals are all turned the same way, rotation-wise. And seriously, gosh, French and toasters, like, they didn't go very far. It's like I flung them across the room. Where's the other red one? Yeah, whatever. We'll see. And then here's yellow. Clockwise. Clockwise. And everyone's like, just stop saying clockwise. Do whatever you want. Just stop saying that. Oh, but do we have other thoughts on idle games? Because this would also be a time, like... Actually, I have no idea how the idle games work. Like, are they on all the time? Do I turn them on and start a round?